Hi everyone, I'm Farah from VoxMeta. Today we are doing a full unboxing of VoxMeta's flagship industrial 3D scanner, the H1 Pro. This is a comprehensive solution engineered specifically for high-precision metrology and challenging industrial environments. So I'm super excited to see the package content. So without further delay, let's do it. First of all, we have industrial carrying case here. Now scan the QR code so you can get the app link, all the information about the package content, and how to use the wired and wireless connection of H1 Pro right away. Let's open it and put it aside. And the first thing that meets us is a quick start guide. It's designed to help users complete device initialization in minutes and get straight to work. And quality certificate. First and foremost, let's have a look at our main hero, the H1 Pro 3D scanner. This is our core product, the H1 Pro industrial scanner. With a metrology-grade accuracy of 0.050 millimeters, it is a powerful tool for the most demanding industrial tasks. Next one is power adapter. The power adapter delivers stable power to the scanner directly through the data cable. And also we have universal power adapter. These universal power adapters ensure our kit can seamlessly adapt to the power standards of different countries and regions worldwide. 1865 all lithium batteries, 4 packs. We have included 4 high-capacity 1865 all batteries. They support hot swapping, enabling 24/7 uninterrupted operation. And also lithium battery charger. The dedicated charger ensures you have a reliable power supply for long-duration field scanning assignments. The next component is our wrist strap phone holder. Paired with our mobile app, it turns your smartphone into a real-time preview screen, giving you total freedom from cable restrictions. USB-A to USB-C adapter. We also include a thoughtful USB-A to USB-C adapter, making the kit fully compatible with the late mainstream laptops on the market. Dedicated USB flash drive. Our dedicated USB drive comes preloaded with a software installation package and essential configuration files for both the H1 Pro and the calibration board. We have 3mm markers, 1000 pieces. 3mm markers are perfect for capturing fine, intricate details on complex workpiece surfaces. Also, we have 6mm markers. Specifically designed for large-scale industrial scanning, these 6mm markers provide exceptional tracking stability. Next one is USB-A to Ethernet cable. This USB-A to Ethernet cable ensures a high-speed, reliable wired connection between the scanner and various workstations. And also we have power cable. Next one is USB-A to USB-C cable. 5-meter aviation to RG45 cable. This 5-meter industrial-grade aviation cable ensures long-distance, high-stability data transmission, even in complex electromagnetic environments. Next is a core accessory, the high-precision calibration board. It's the cornerstone for maintaining the device's micron-level accuracy, ensuring every single measurement is precise and error-free. Finally, we have the manual turntable. When paired with a scanner, it allows for seamless 360-degree scanning of small to medium-sized workpieces, leaving no dead angles. And that concludes the full unboxing of the VoxMeta H1 Pro 3D scanner. Professional, powerful, and ready to go right out of the box. If you have any questions regarding the package content, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. See you in the next videos.